Hey, in this video, we're going to take a look at how Repli AI works once it's integrated into your help desk. And for this demonstration, we have installed Repli AI into the gorgeous help desk. So as you can see, as I've been chatting away to you, Repli AI has been typing a response to this customer's query. This customer is emailing in regards to the ring size and the materials the rings are made from. Reply has responded using everything it knows in its knowledge base about sizes of rings and materials to respond to the customer's query. Reply can respond to any form of ticket from any channel, from email to chat to social media comments, and if you have any other apps installed, Reply can handle those different responses. As we can see here, this response is a Facebook comment, and it is very different to the last response that we just saw, which was an email. The style of the response is different, the response length is a lot shorter, and we can change anything we like when we're using models for different channels. So let's take a look at another ticket and just see exactly where Reply sources this information from. So as the ticket comes in, Reply reads the ticket, responds using the knowledge base information. I'll explain where we store the knowledge base in a little bit, but where you can reference the knowledge base information is just by clicking the icon, and then you can see the top 10 most relevant pieces of information that respond to this customer's query. So here, this customer is asking about the pearl necklace and if it will tarnish and if it will wear or not, and Reply's done the response based on the information that was in the knowledge base that we've provided it. Here, you can also suggest any edits as well. So if you'd like to change your response slightly, you can do that too. Okay, now let's take a look at the back end of Reply, how this magic happens. Here we have the Reply dashboard, where we can keep track of all of the responses being generated by Reply. Over here on our left-hand side, we have our different models. Models allow us to differentiate between different regions, different countries, anything we would like from it. We might like a different model for social media versus a different model for email and chat. Let's take a look here at the email model for Australia. Right now, what we're looking at is the prompt. So the prompt always gets sent along with the model. So the prompt includes information like who you're responding to, what channel you're responding to, your personality type, your response length, your response structure, any pieces of information that we want to add into the prompt, and any additional rules that you have for this brand. You can set up your different response structures any way you like it, which suits your brand. We also create e-commerce rules which allow us to have different rules for refunds, postage and shipping, order changes, and everything like that. All of this is done within the prompt section. It allows it to be really, really custom to your brand and your brand's needs. So this prompt here is different to the social media prompt. Let's have a look at the social media prompt, where we tell Reply AI, hey, you're a customer service agent for social media. You're responding to Facebook and Instagram comments. You respond in a different way. You respond to, shorter. If it's Instagram, you have a little @ symbol and everything like that. That's where we can give Reply AI that information. Every model also has information in the knowledge base. So the knowledge base is really just your FAQs and anything that you have in your brain, we put it into the Reply AI's brain. So having a look at this section here, we have information for our Australian customers about the product, the rings. So here we have our Australian prices, our Australian URLs, and all of the products available in Australia. So I've got this turned on because this is my Australian model, but we would turn it off if we were in our USA model and vice versa here. So you just include all of your information into the knowledge base, and that is what Reply AI uses for its response. So it uses the prompt that it's being given and then the 10 most relevant knowledge base sources. Within the back end of Reply, you've also got your conversation logs where you can go through all of the history of your conversations that Reply has been responding to, and then you can review any of that as well. A key feature of Reply AI is how custom you can make your responses for your brand. You can make your replies as in-depth as you like, or you can make your response style slightly different. You can sync it with different apps like Aftership tracking, where we can cover different tracking statuses where we can tell our customer exactly where their parcel is from start to finish, allowing you to really handle complex situations and complex tickets with the utmost empathy and understanding, because we all know how hard it gets at 5 o'clock on a Friday and an unhappy customer comes in and you still want to give them a really, really good reply in your customer service. So feel free to book in for a demo. We would absolutely love to help you take your customer service from a burden to a breeze.